What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Moto Visuals. And on this channel I do ride videos, review videos, and also photography. So the two stars of this show are my 2018 Honda CBR and my 2020 Road Glide. As you know, I'm very fortunate enough that I get to ride around in this country seeing these awesome places. I've been to Daytona, Laconia, Lake George, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, all the places in New Jersey, the Hawk's Nest, all those fun places. And I do ride videos about it, but I also take beautiful, awesome photos of it. And I use, well, it's in the bag. As you can see, it's all loaded up. I use a Sony a7 III for my photos, and occasionally I'll use it for my videos, but for the most part I use video with either my phone or the GoPros. So I was saying to myself, how can I incorporate some of the photography stuff I do to my channel? And you know, sometimes I put pictures at the end of the video, sometimes I put them during the video, but you know, you really want to capture some awesome views and you just want to see photos. So what I did was I started my own website, and I will be posting most of my photos there. You could say it's a portfolio, and I'm starting out small. By the time you guys see this video, some of my photos will be out. I'm still working on all the photos I've taken over this past 2 years, and I really want to share that with you guys. So there is a link below. Now, I haven't chose a domain yet or bought a domain, so it's just a generic links right as of right now. So the link will be below in the comments. So the link will be below in the description area, and just take a look. So far I've only uploaded 3 things, 2 of Jersey City and 1 of my hometown in Secaucus. So check those out. And also, while you're on the website, sign up for my emailing list. Like I said, I do a lot of ride videos, so I will be taking out the Sony camera from now on. And if we do ride meetups, if we go to places, I will always post all of the photos there and try to release it the same time as the video, so you guys could, you know, take a look at the photos, also watch the video, and really enjoy what I put out. So if you like that kind of stuff, please click the link below. I know you have to disturb your YouTube time, I know that, but please take a look. Let me know what you think of the site, and I hope you really sign up for that emailing list. And every time I upload a new project, I'll notify you guys and you guys can take a look. Also, on YouTube here, I've been striving for 1,000 subs and I'm almost there. I need another 120. And also, if you are new to this channel, please hit that like button on this video. Also, please subscribe to me. And I hope you like the content that I put out. If you do all those things, consider clicking that bell notification. just like the emailing list, on YouTube they have a bell notification. Every time I upload something, the good old YouTube will notify you. All right, so I just wanted to make this a quick video. I just want to say have a great day, guys. It is Sunday. It is a little gloomy, but we're still gonna ride. We got some more videos to come. All right, so have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.